Wir gucken uns jetzt zusammen die Unreal Engine 5.4 Full Presentation State of Unreal 2024 an. Wenn wir sowas mal öfters machen sollen, also einfach Kram zusammen gucken, dann schreib es mir gerne in die Kommentare oder komm natürlich gerne auf Discord vorbei. Den Discord-Link findest du in der Videobeschreibung. Ja, ich würde sagen, legen wir los.
To get more information on what you've just seen here, there'll be a tech talk at 12:30 p.m. in this room to go over all the fine details. Now, to get more detail on the exciting new features of Unreal Engine 5.4, I'd like to bring to the stage our Vice President of Engineering, my good friend, Simon Tourangeau. Come on, Simon. Take it away, brother.
Take it away, brother. So, was los?
It's been a busy year since the last GDC. Back in October, we shipped UE5.4. Then in December, we launched Fortnite Chapter 5
Der war ein bisschen ernster unterwegs.
Rocket Racing and Festival in our Big Bang event. And now we're about to ship UE5.4.
Lego Fortnite.
Everything we shipped over last year has made UE a better engine for you and the entire community of Unreal.
Ich habe Fortnite noch gar nicht
Let's
gespielt,
take a look
null.
at what's coming. On the rendering side, we just saw some of the beautiful scenes in the Skydance demo. They showed what can be achieved with nanite tessellation. There were also nice
nanite tessellation geht auch ab.
using our heterogeneous volume feature.
Das ging auch gar nicht vorher, oder? Bin ich mir gar nicht 100% sicher, ob das mal so ein
You'll
Beta-Ding
also
war.
get other features like local fog volumes and Niagara lightweight emitters, just to name a few. But most importantly, we've made a lot of performance improvements. We now have faster lumen, shadows,
Niagara
and ray
lightweight
tracing.
emitters.
We've
Local
added
fog,
variable ring
cool.
shading for nanite. We massively improved instance culling, and we significantly improved parallelism in the renderer.
Sound ist
You
ein
name
bisschen
it,
off, ne?
we made it faster. With a city sample demo that shipped in 5.0, our console tests showed that the render thread time was reduced by 50%,
Ui,
and the GPU time decreased by 25%.
boah. Einfach mal so.
Now, let's talk about animation. Over the past year, our team has been hard at work on a world-class update to our animation system.
Da habe ich schon einen
And I'm
Screenshot
happy to
gesehen.
share that our motion matching technology is now production ready. Motion matching is a simple yet powerful way to animate characters in games. Instead of handcrafted state machines, motion matching continuously selects the best frame of animation to play from its motion database.
Cool.
Sorry.
Boah.
It aims to closely match the current
Boah, ist
pose
das
of the
geil.
character as well as its past and future movement. Our implementation
Und
scales
das ist auch
with the
cool
size of
gezeigt
the
hier,
dataset
also
to
hier in dem
reach
Video
the high
meine ich.
fidelity you need, and it uses pose warping algorithms to fill in the
Cool,
gaps.
371 zu 91.
But motion matching is a tool for more than just locomotion. As you can see here, it's used for jumping, falling,
Schön.
and complex traversal. We use 3D
Mag den Style
trajectory
auch, ne?
prediction to produce
Das
seamless
ist auf jeden Fall
transition
lustig.
with anticipation and long follow-throughs. And this results in much more believable animation.
Bin ich das oder sieht das Level
We've
geil
also
aus?
built world-class authoring and debugging tools, like the Rewind debugger that allows you to record, inspect,
Boah.
and edit your motion databases to understand and improve your transitions.
Wenn man darüber nachdenkt, wie
The motion
die
matching
Leute das
system
früher
has been
gemacht haben, ne?
battle-tested and is ready for prime time.
Jetzt machst du 2
It has
Klicks
been in
und hast
use
du
in
irgendwie eine
Fortnite
halbe
since the
Stunde
launch of
Arbeit
Chapter
gespart.
5 in December, running on all characters, on
Ah,
all
das läuft alles schon.
And to help you get started, we will be releasing a sample project.
In dem Game bin ich ja gar nicht drin, ne? Hast du
This
Fortnite
project will
gespielt?
include
Schreib's mal in die
over
Kommentare.
500
Bin
AAA
gespannt.
animations created from high-end motion capture data with the locomotion and traversal dataset used in this demo. Best of all, it will be free for all Unreal Engine
Ui,
developers,
500
compatible
Animationen
with the
free.
MetaHuman rig.
Okay, sag's weiter. Das ist ja krass. Ich glaube, auf Discord hat letztens auch jemand eine Animation
Now,
gesucht.
a lot about creating a game is about telling a story. To
Obwohl
bring
jeder
their
sucht immer nach
ideas and
Animationen,
visions to
ne?
life, storytellers must iterate constantly and efficiently. They must be able to get the right animation, the right camera angle, and the perfect lighting that completes the scene. We've been investing in our animation authoring tools with Control Rig and Sequencer, and we've now reached a very important milestone. For the first time, a full game production, Lego Fortnite, was rigged and animated entirely in engine with no external DCC used.
Boah,
And so far,
im Ernst?
we've produced over 240 minutes of animation for Lego Fortnite across gameplay, emotes, cinematics, and trailers.
Das würde ich mir gerne mal selber angucken.
Working entirely in Unreal Engine means there is no round-tripping with an external DCC, no exporting. Being able to see everything in context.
Diesen Sonntag kommt auch ein
lighting,
Video raus, wie wir
camera,
uns komplett
animation.
über die
Iterating and
Modeling-Tools
making
eine Sci-Fi-Door
changes in real
bauen.
time
Ist jetzt
with
auch eine
final
Serie, falls sich das
pixels is a
interessiert.
real game changer.
Auch komplett in der Unreal Engine gemacht.
But our animators always tell us that behind every great animation is a great rig. In Unreal Engine 5.4, creating rigs becomes much quicker and easier
Das
than before.
sieht so schön aus, ne?
Modular control
Im Vergleich
rigs.
zu früher. Boah, das ist echt gut. Das ist echt gut, wie weit das gekommen ist.
Creators also have the ability to alter skeletons and skin weights and take advantage of our new suite of deformers to help achieve fundamental rig features such as squash and stretch. These tools have changed the way we bring our stories to life, and we're excited to share them with you. Now, with games getting bigger with more complex content, developer iteration will always be top of mind. We've significantly improved C++ compilation times with the help of our new Unreal Build Accelerator for highly performant distributed code builds. On our build farm, we now see that Unreal Editor compiles 2 to 3 times faster.
Boah.
You'll also be happy to hear that we compile
compiling shaders
in the editor as well as during codes.
Schön, sehr
And
gut.
finally, we improved the onboarding process for Unreal Cloud DDC for large distributed teams. We've been quite busy on the audio front too.
Oh, bin ich auch noch nicht richtig eingestiegen, also fast gar nicht eigentlich.
We had granular synthesized vehicles in rocket racing. A simple, accurate weapon overall in Battle Royale.
Aber in letzter Zeit auch gar nicht
Dynamic
gebraucht.
ambience and
In letzter
music
Zeit
in
meine ich
Lego
irgendwie
Fortnite.
6 Monate oder mehr.
Rhythm games in Festival and Jam. And 3D user-created music in UE5.4 patchwork.
Alter.
And to help sound designer understand, debug, and create powerful next-gen audio, we're shipping a new experimental audio profiling tool called Audio Insights. If you're a sound designer and want to make something truly unique and immersive, Meta Sounds is the right tool for you. Now, let's talk about our procedural content generation framework, which we released as experimental last year. With PCG, artists can build vast worlds
Soll doch jetzt in die Beta gehen,
in
oder?
a completely art-directable way. Using a node graph to set up parameterized rule
So
sets,
geil, da habe ich auch noch so
we can
wenig
create
gemacht.
fast, iterative,
Mit,
and
also ich würde
deterministic
gern
procedural
da auch mal
content,
richtig
even
einsteigen.
at runtime.
Das ist genau mein
For
Ding.
5.4, we added new features such as runtime hierarchical generation, attribute set tables, feedback loops,
Ach Mann,
and the list goes on.
geil.
We use the PCG framework in our internal production, including Lego Fortnite. In fact, the team developed their own world creation system using PCG to craft their massive environment.
Schön, sehr gut.
Their system generates a vast amount of unique tiles, which are then assembled on the fly to compose a unique world for each player to experience.
Das ist auch Wahnsinn, ne? Wenn man das so sieht.
Our
Alles.
learnings translate into new ways for you to use a framework, develop new tools, and create your own gameplay opportunities.
Sehr, sehr schön. Sehr, sehr
To get you
schön.
started, we are also releasing a PCG biome creation plugin as a concrete example of a flexible, data-driven tool with a built with a systemic approach featuring the latest improvement.
Ja, wenn man 48 Stunden pro Tag hätte,
So we're
das wäre
happy
geil.
to announce that the
Beta.
PCG framework is going beta with UE5.4 and planning to be production ready by GDC 2025.
Okay, ein Jahr noch und dann Abfahrt.
Speaking of Lego Fortnite, the game has been an amazing opportunity to battle test and improve some of our features. Chaos physics was heavily optimized to support large-scale building and destruction with a new prediction model
Auch
to
geil.
create fewer and smoother corrections for physics objects. It's worth noting that the multiplayer physics sandbox runs server-side and
Und man
therefore
will in
provides
alles
coherent
perfekt
performance
einsteigen, ne? Wenn man das so sieht. Er wird alles sofort machen.
Our
So viele
data-oriented
coole
programming
Sachen
framework
dabei.
called Mass was put to the test to
war
simulate
das?
and hold more than 6 million lightweight actors. And finally, we optimized the engine storage, memory usage, and perfs, resulting in Lego Fortnite working great across all platforms, including mobile. With all of this work, Unreal Engine is now even better for your own ambitious cross-platform projects. Hope you enjoyed this short glimpse of all the cool things
Ja.
our teams have been working on.
Nice.
I invite you all to check out Preview 1 of Unreal
Ist
Engine
jetzt vorbei, ne?
5.4
Glaube ich.
available today.
Ja, geil. Ich habe ja schon gesagt, ne, ich würde am liebsten alles sofort machen, ne, wenn ich einfach mehr Zeit hätte. Das wäre so geil. Einfach mal alles ausprobieren, überall einsteigen, einfach machen, was man will hier. Einfach mal den ganzen Tag PCG, Hardcore, alles ausprobieren und so weiter. Schreib mir gerne mal in die Kommentare, wie du es fandest und ob wir sowas hier, also dieses Format jetzt hier auch mal öfter machen sollen. Mir hat es sehr gefallen und wenn du magst, dann sehen wir uns auf Discord.